Hello everybody, today I want to show you a new product from Keetouch GmbH. This is projected capacitive 17-inch touch PC. It is durable enough due to the metal frame around the perimeter and the metal back cover. It has heat sink with cooling fins to help dissipate heat. Let me remind you that our touch PC is without active cooling, so it does not make noise. Also on the back there are 100 by 100 mounting VESA holes. The bottom has two COM ports, two Ethernet ports, 4 super fast USB ports and an audio combo port. The power is supplied through a 2-pin connector 9-36 volts. There is also an elastic band around the perimeter on the back of the frame for fixation in such a way that dust and moisture do not get there. According to the PC parameters, here we have Intel Celeron 4205U, 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of SSD. If necessary, the RAM amount can be expanded and the storage unit can be also replaced by request. Detailed specification, including screen resolution and some additional parameters, you can find at the link in the description. Let's connect this 17-inch touch PC using the supplied adapter for 12 volts and 5 amperes. The complete power supply has the special fixation screws, so that it does not fall out during the operation. When the power is connected, the device starts automatically. In our product we install the up-to-date Ubuntu operating system by default. Also, in addition to Ubuntu, you can order this product without an operating system, if you have it available. We can check now how the operating system is working. Open all sorts of folders.